Hey everybody, Danny Man here. Welcome back to the channel. If you remember, oh wait, no, that's not how we're doing it, right? Bing bang bong. Alright, you know what? Hell with it. I'm gonna keep it in and we're gonna do it like this. If you remember, I didn't like the Moti. And I mean the main reason is I got two. I got one and it was crap. It stopped working. And the pod that came with it only lasted 2 tanks, 2 fill-ups, and it was done. Okay, so yeah, maybe that was a bad pod. That happens, right? The next one I got, the connection on the inside was crapped out, and it only worked for like 10 minutes. So, yeah, I was pretty annoyed about it, but I only paid 99 cents for it. And for the first one, I think I got it free because I purchased something else. Got it from 8vape.com, who I like 8vape.com. Well, you know, a lot of people say no, they don't, but okay, I'm going on a tangent, but I've never had any issues with them, and they always got back with me on Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Always got back with me. So I think they're great, and they have some really awesome deals. Right now, I think they got the best deals around. Consistent deals. Anywho, that's just me. That's my opinion. It's not like I know every single place there is to get deals. I don't. There's a lots of places. Anywho, okay, let's bring it back. Bring it back. So I picked up another one. I actually picked up two when they were 99 cents a few weeks back. And I only opened one. Oh, and that reminds me, a friend from ELR, he's an ogre, an actual ogre. I mean, I'm not calling him names. He's an ogre. So he reviewed it too, and he's not a pod guy, so he wasn't that impressed either. But he's not a pod guy. But they sent him some stuff, man. This oolong tea is really quite disgusting. I've tried it, and no, I can't. And the banana, it's not bad. If you like bananas, it's actually not bad. I've got 2 pods. If you live in the States, I'll even pay shipping. If you live in the States, bam, these are yours. Now, the reason I'm telling you this is, well, we're gonna do a hack. We're gonna hack this bad boy. The pods that they send you, the pre-filled pods, can be hacked and used. Shoot, at least I'm on my 10th refill on this one, and it's still going. So I'm not saying that'll always happen. It could be a freak accident, but I wanted to get this video out and get it working and rocking and rolling right away, so we could. I don't know why, just because. All right, I'm tripping right now. So let's calm down. Let's bring it down. Count to 10, Dan the man. Okay, now let's get into it. Now, these are actually ceramic. You know what? We should break one apart right here, and right now, and check it out. You guys want to? All right. Well, that was the one I was gonna take apart and fill up. Okay, take another deep breath. All right, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Okay, taking the advice from my brothers and sisters over on eliquidrecipes.com in the forum section, and we're like a family over there. We might argue once in a while, but usually we make up. I mean, I always make up with people if I argue, which I don't know. Anyways, I'm babbling again. Here, let's do this. Okay, pair of pliers, my brothers and sisters. Now, what I do is I open my pliers up. You see how you can have your pliers like that, or you can open it. And I put it on that second one so that I don't smash this when I pull it off. And I just pull it off, like so. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill it. Then let's do it one more time, and then we'll fill it too while we're at it. Just pull it off. Pull this one out. Fill it up. So yeah, let's do that. Oh, there's nothing in there. So let me put something in there. That's the one I was looking for earlier. All right. There we go. Oops. Oh, you guys didn't see me filling it. Oh well. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, isn't it? All right. Put it back on. Make sure it's clicked in there. Put the metal part back on, and we're ready to roll with it. Meet you up top. Looks like I'm making a habit of this. Breaking in just a tiny bit. That's the end of the video, but if you want to see me taking it apart and looking at the coil, then stick around. It's just a few more minutes long. Oh, look who come to see us. Boy, she hadn't done that in a while. She's wanting to know why I'm not giving her a treat. Well, that's because she darn ate them all. Ain't that right? Yeah, I know. I know. It's totally like that. I agree. She's a very vocal cat. One of the most vocal cats I've ever known. I don't know how y'all do it with your pets, if you will, but I don't own any of my pets. I'm not into owning another life. It's just not something I want to do. But I do understand that it's my responsibility to feed and keep safe um, these innocent lives that depend on me. So don't you dare get a pet if you know you can't keep it. That's just wrong. All right, anywho, we're not even we're talking about vaping and barking spiders. There, I think that's what we're needing right there. All right, now we can see right through it. I like that. Okay, so, all right, here we go. Let's take a look at this now. So, let me know what you think about the orange. Next time I'll do a blue one and we'll see if it's any better. Talking about the backdrop or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so there's actually another piece to this right here. Okay, you see how it fits on there? It comes off. Looks like that. The groove's right there. See that? All right. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's take it apart now. This right here is the ceramic. Okay, we're doing this together. We're learning this together. I've yet to take one of these completely apart. Now, it looks like there's an O-ring down here, this one, which is probably just an O-ring. Come on. Yeah, that's nothing, just an O-ring. I don't think it goes anywhere. And it looks like this is, yeah, it comes right out just like that. Look at that. Okay. I could probably put it back together. Here, let's get the focusing back. Here, let me get into the focusing, man. There we go. Yeah. So, the ceramic is the wicking part, obviously. Okay, this isn't going as smoothly as it did in my mind. When I went through it in my imagination, it was real smooth. Look at that. That's interesting. I'm fascinated with taking stuff apart. If I could put it back together, if I was good at putting this stuff back together, I'd be brilliant. All right, let's see. I do believe this stuff is really quite fragile. I can't squeeze it with my fingers, but I bet yeah, there it goes. See, so theoretically, this should last a long time because the wick won't get burned up as fast. It's the wire that'll probably give out sooner. Let's get up close. That's how it's done, my friends. Now, I think it's worth the price. I only paid $1, so hell yeah, it was worth that price. 10 bucks, yeah. I don't know what they're going for right now. But if you can use a pre-filled coil more than 10 times, then yeah, man. And if you want a stealthy vape, now the flavor isn't that great, but that's not the point of these. The point is getting your nicotine in a stealthy manner. Anywho, Candyman signing out. Peace.